Artificial intelligence is not just changing how we work, live, or communicate, it's quietly transforming something much bigger, the way the world is governed. From the United Nations to the smallest developing country, AI is becoming a key player in shaping global decisions, diplomacy, and even democracy itself. Welcome back to the future of money. If you care about how power, technology, and leadership are evolving, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the future of global systems. Governments are increasingly relying on AI to make decisions once reserved for humans, decisions about policy, security, and resource management. In 2025 alone, over 70 countries adopted some form of AI-driven governance, from predictive policing to budget forecasting. But here's the twist. Algorithms don't have values. They process data, not ethics. That means whoever controls the data controls the decision, and that's where global power dynamics are shifting. AI has created new global power centers. The United States dominates AI innovation. China leads in data and surveillance infrastructure. The European Union sets ethical regulations that shape global policy. This digital triangle is the new world order, where influence is measured not in land or oil, but in data. And nations without strong AI systems risk becoming digital colonies, dependent on those who control the code.